Good speak.
Mr. Speaker.
I recognise the Honourable Member Kamaljeet Singh Bakshi. Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri Akal. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you for the opportunity to speak during the first reading of Lobbying Disclosure Bill. Mr. Speaker, New Zealand is a vibrant democracy. Its citizens have high level of trust in their government and believe that we work in transparent manner, that we are accountable to the people who elected us. If we compare New Zealand to many other countries, I think we are transparent. We remain accountable to the people who elect us to the Parliament. Yet our colleagues from the Green believe that there is a need for lobbying disclosure legislation. Green MP Holly Walker, through her members' bill, would like to see establishment of a register for lobbyists, which is administered by the Auditor General, and development of the Code of Conduct for the lobbyist. I agree with Chris Hipkins, the example he gave, that a lot of people come and lobby us for their various issues. Mr. Speaker, the National Party supports this bill in its first reading. However, can I just say that the bill actually, in my opinion, is an attempt to reduce freedom of speech. I mean, why else would a bill want to control over people who send a simple email to their representatives in Parliament? To some constituents who may not be fully aware of how Parliament functions, how laws are enacted, or how they can make their voice heard, we as Member of Parliament have at times to be their voice at various levels. I do not believe the amount of lobbying in any manner. Rather, it is an opportunity for me to be of service to the people of the constituency. It is my opportunity to engage with constituents and show them that I am at their service. In case we are to call engaging with one constituent as lobbying, then can I ask my colleague across the chamber how else individual and stakeholders of public policy meant to engage with legislators to make their decisions on their policies? By binding lobbyists to law, are we not imposing rule on the right of the lobbyist, which they may have just as a normal person? Mr. Speaker, these are the issues that we will look forward to engage on during the Select Committee process. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I call the Honourable Member